Okay, this this video's the end of main wash more or less, and I'll do the drain and pump out, and I don't know if it spins or not, but we'll find out. Can't remember what it does. Apparently I'm on 1600 today. Subscribe. I want the watch load to go high up on the winces. I think it's when it reaches 25 minutes it'll start doing draining and that. Not totally sure. I'll just show you the display panel. We've got the kg detector, my selections, options. I press that options button to Hygiene Plus, I think they call it. 27 minutes, that's a delay timer. That's like the stain level and time shortage button. I'm on 60 degrees, that's the temperature. And I'm on the maximum spin today, 1600. Will it blow up? I don't know, but stay tuned for the next videos. There's the start, pause and smart touch feature. These are bloody cycles. Let me know what cycle you would like to see as well. Comment down below. I'd like to make this channel growing as much as possible and do stuff for my viewers as well. So get your requests in the comments down below. And subscribe. And there's not just those cycles I have, there's also the app cycles as well I have, which aren't available on there. Since it's at 60 degrees now, I don't know if you can see, but the water has risen a bit. I don't know if it does a cool down, but at the moment it's pretty hot. So I've got 24 minutes left. It's not done the winces yet. I don't like it when you get that like condensation bit, you know, at the top. It always happens that more or less. I don't know if it's because I'm using pods. Still pretty hot. Surely it should be draining now. I like it when it does that at the window and the clothes goes flat up. So it. Bloody hell. 20 minutes. Come on. 20 minutes. Hurry up. This should be draining now, surely. 20 minutes. I don't understand where this Hygiene Plus, I don't know if it's done it or not. Because obviously it's just doing what it would do when I just do it as normal. It's just clicked off there, that means it's gonna I'll stop the video here and then restart it in a minute.